Barangay Nanmenka Nepet Wisdom Limao.
Sa puerta, raya la madera, Corus Sangalinae, Glory, Wawan, Ore Mare, Neto Populata,
Senior Pastor Juan Parat Orlando.
Musa po po, yang kay Child Chorus, Child Katilolo, Ulpan Waligat Child o Pastor License. O may samat ko nakalap, nagkatinyayas ang so chorus. Sekapin ki kwe ki maur o rasul, nabeng ko makat kiyang ki nan maray kaprangot, ki pilkaker konoti ang so. Sekapin kiyang hi ran so ma matay mo item, ki tanine ang skulot o sen kasakasapul, sapul ma sirikan matay ni katin para ngayon ki o sen puwat. Mang samat ko kalaman, di kamela na mamon sa karatawad. Song kan chorus maging dito sansan ayun magkatin mani. Ni harap ibig ni and katin kiyang ki at sawar soika na penti yakar na penkam katin mani. Kusen ka kwarmowi nan maray ka pranot. Nang samat ko kalangan ibigagi peni and katin parane. Sapul mar ni saraw. Kwento sane at tuwang iupene. Sang nitabi o pinpan insekla. Sa bulmar ng sarawin, en pilkatin yenyang, iray kang chorus, lepan kuko ng kasarawin. Kiyang ray erepit koyat loloko. Pilkatin yenyang sa bulmar siringan, lebengkit kaskasa bulmar. Kiyang ray rananti, maray koyat loloko. O piray siyon patangan, kakaw nilobiskan. Pilpatan ki papanono, Kunyatpan kakairata sa pulmar sirikan and kakairatan ituan kukrawi sa pulmar pasan. Ngayon samat po kalanan, inagpakitay dan kulukulayang ray, maray o lalokon, na pain eman ray, tumalanti. Kuran ka dan mulyanti, tuon pa'y euran, kahiray na kalapan tuon pa'y kan, o pa'y kawito to, tiyan mo ka. Ngayon samat po kalanan, siyang kang chorus, na pansin. Sansan o poitanan mareka pranot o kagiyan poitanin tuan ko from sa pulmar pasan. Kompter mo ito pinat pasan. Nang samat ko kalangan, tamis mo sansan o isan mo siya kalako. Sa payag, ay ito sa pulmar ng sarawyo, en kachin kawit ki, i-foros, o yang sa pulmar sirikan mo kasi. Nilang kapay, enat kaun, at siyondan may uliang tiki sa karetinir magpat niyay ginang ipuson kamelen na hir kotaman na saraw, hir kotaman na manaman, hir kotaman na limpa, o hir sa kotan siyang sawas. Sangatan yung tapio, nilatokit iyan ay sawat o tiyan morkan na tilpanta. Nilang kapay na kaun at siyondan sa pulmaan yung basis.
Kalangan, o isa po ko, Rakashti o Chorus Pachiodi. Ang suksud siya, barangay siya o karong pa na awat sa karatang kosaw na bansang PGA Vice President Juan Parat Perez.
Facilitator Michael. Van paduan kata senang dan bueno pendiam Maria President dan sabola dalam terus ETA to kita orang bisa kertahu kayu dengan paduan CMP cuma sekarang kapan wow pan kemudian sama saya itu level lebih bisa punya rumah san dengan chorus terkait sabunman dari Tuhan di kelai terus paduan kamel lebih kalinya kait wow pan kemudian masak from letau pan kiri Hormat Hanawan Materi Pilihan Head Kesaksian Senator Ned Speaker dan Chief Laban-labakan Parusian dan menolakkan Uliakan Parusian Bayan Sarmadai Asarawin Kesabun dan Ulit Samalat para rinig sa tuwa. Dala iban paduan pasok. Yaduat once a prose letter sa unang way that sin aramas and paman ngayon panagyan ko sa barmosap kung bubur. Kuyan paduan pata. Pata komi, o isanaan o lugat na palabakan chorus. Isang nag-way kan and nag-way foreplay, isang nag-government kan, isang nag-pomocho kan. Meron, kahit ang biyang kan sa mga program naman. Kailangan ko bramay, pwede ang may kapitili sa bumay na sumar. Pwede dyan, kayo sa mga school, uyang mo, kasarawi, kayo sa kailangan, katawag lang, Sir bukan discussion with Ramut kasalian saya. Sumber walau sumber natar. Ini pakai school level primary. Jadi dalam school. Bilman santian semua kabanggalan yang kuman serikat. Merit apa non. Kegiatan mau memang kesembilan Sir bukan. Kaya yung right ka next sense kung sa walat mo sa mo dayon. Iban baron kay Sangkila o baron Walyanti PDA President o yang officers kan o pagmamagi elder mata niya sangat jabun kasarawan sa bayraya na elder bangkak ko kaya naman iban pagmamagi Walyanti Senangan, dia di Preston. Orbit start with school with very legal. मैं रानवट कहते कि आप पसंदी and पसंद सोची काला है तो पहले मेरे बारे लेता बहुत अच्छा रहा है ले बनकर ये घुमाई पूरा है बसायन में तान सोच Arabien, macam gias, solan, melon, macam ramas, rumah kuburan, main secara lain, ada banyak. Iman so kalangan kubur korusian, rumah, macam secara bukan saudara ini yang benar-benar di kasarungan kesatuan.
Kalangan Cerang kecil dan kalingawan sa walmacay program. Nabilap yeyawat sa karata daransang irayan nagas kasagulran wech o sa karata wachin sa Victoria Street daransang Mr. Emmanuel Naruo.
This. Lang program, muat ay cuma sekadar kapung lang pura sama jahit boj. Bagai sengaja no, omelan kuitar rancho or boj miangar yak sen sabar kapur lembab o kalangan ng jahit boj. Ay cuma sekadar wow o kay bani, bang pura masalah balap sebab nama kami matanin ko yun. Wala bang pura senangkan, wang kumuha sa pro ng letaw. Lugan, nanganiyay, liyan nindela. Ibig dapat cuman mohon kuman kesembalakan korus, nampali selu and sabal majadi yas beye, umat government ojiya. Ibig dapat cuman mohon kupin sabal, wais, sumbadangkan, bawa nono, grima kata kata kurang o bujay korus matkaj, o pacina kashidat, kurang Iya, it is an honor for me to stand before you all today. It has been 8 big, long, challenging years to this very day. As far as I can remember, ladies and gentlemen, I started out this journey which has brought me to this very hour behind this podium with a thin set of where I'm going. As each year goes by, I started to realize that I am not growing only in body, but also in knowledge and wisdom. I believe that there is no gold nor money that has more value than knowledge and wisdom. They are the greatest of all treasures. It is great to possess knowledge and wisdom, for they will give you all your needs in this life. However, the Bible says in Proverbs 3, verse 5 to 6, lean not to your own understanding, trust the Lord with all your heart, acknowledge Him in all your ways, and He shall direct all your paths. This, ladies and gentlemen, are the words of wisdom that have echoed down throughout generations and on to this great generation, which we live in now. To you, my fellow graduates, I offer these words as my farewell. It has been a great challenge working with you all. However, lies ahead of us will be a greater challenge, which is high school, and beyond that is university. We have fought a good fight together and have finished our elementary days today. You see, I have never competed with anybody but myself. I always strive to be a better person than who I was yesterday. And as your salutatorian, I leave you these words of advice. Never compete with anybody but yourself, and always strive for the better you. You see, no one is smarter than the other, as we are all evaluated by our Heavenly Father. It is just that some work harder to collect more information than others. The answer is in our own hands. What we choose today makes who we are tomorrow. So, hey man, keep the words of wisdom in your hearts and go all the way. At this time, ladies and gentlemen, I just want to acknowledge a few people that have supported me and helped me to get to where I am today. I'd like to thank my parents first of all, and they are Ricky and Marlon Darwin. Thank you for all your love and care for me throughout my 8 years of elementary. I would also, rain or shine, you guys were always there for me, so thank you very much. I would also like to thank my teacher Lani A. Simon for all her hard work. Teacher Lani, can you please rise? Teacher Lani, today is not the end of my journey, nor yours, not yet. My challenge to you is aim high and shoot for the stars. Ladies and gentlemen, please, a round of applause for my teacher. I extend my respect to all the families of Sapalat Elementary School. Though Sapalat Elementary School is not where I begin my journey, it is where I finish. So rest assured, for I'll carry your name wherever I go, as I am part of you. I have made up my mind, I have set my goal, I have set target, and I aim to finish. I would like to close with this day. What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us. Kalaman, Kiniso Chabot, and thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Herrera, Chakitsakaran.
Kailangan sa karata, kasalin, ang suksot siya ang katsiyang o korongobene abot ko naman sang rayan bagas kasapulkan. Kalanganin ko kasalan, ang subsection ng kurang karangotane abot sa karata, nadapit sa ngacharay ray na kasasakul ranwat, o sa karata project, yung valedictorian address, Naransa, Mr. Chelsea Orlando.
Thank you, MC. First, I would like to give glory to the Almighty Creator, for without His blessing and guidance, everything would not be possible. I would also like to acknowledge and give recognition to the presence of Sunangan Matalinim, Ronan Leda, Akanye, honored guests, parents, principal, teachers, staff, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen. It is truly a great honor for me to stand here to speak on behalf of my fellow graduates. Today is a turning point in each of our lives. It seems hard to believe. Our elementary years started off at the wrist, and it seems to have left many of us still trying to catch our breath. Graduates, we did it. This day marks the ending of that chapter in our lives called primary education. It is indeed a very special day that won't be forgotten, no matter what the future holds for us. We put to memory the 8 years we have spent as elementary students. We acknowledge the people, we have encountered the lesson we learned, the joy and tears, the fun and laughter. Life is a series of passageways. We're living one and moving on to the next. When we reach high school, that has been our destination for 8 years now. We will start over. In this journey, we will face struggles that sometimes might knock us down, but we will not break. I remember being taught that the path to success will never be straight. There is always ups and downs. But for me, I've said, path to success starts with choices I make. By making the right choices while focusing on my strength, I can and will become the master of my own success. As today's theme said, owning our success while focusing on our strength. So let us be unafraid for the new challenges ahead, for we are ready. For that reason, I would like to express my appreciation to those who made our achievement possible. Teachers, remember that you are the mother and father of all good. The future of humankind lies not in the end of new technology. It lies in the end of determined teacher like you, because that's where it all starts from. You have been a sense of strength to us. No matter how rich the class was, you still kept your stand. Thank you for your caring and understanding. You will forever in our hearts. Principal, I am on this wonderful group and I don't want to leave without letting you know of my thankfulness. Thank you so much for your kind help and support you provide to us as well as good learning environment. Your word of advice and encouragement during assemblies help all of us to be where we are today. Thank you very much and I wish you and the school continued success. To my parents, My sincerest gratitude for helping me become the person I never thought I could be. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. Today, I beg tribute to you for all the immeasurable love, effort, and discipline you're providing and building for me. Thank you for leading me when others did not. Mom and Dad, of all the friends and teachers I've had in my life, you both have the best. Thanks. Fellow graduates, may I leave you all with a quote? Carry yourself in such a way so when people are sitting, you will be standing. And when they are standing, you will stand down. And when they are stand down, you will be outstanding. And when they dare to be outstanding, you will be their standard. Congratulations, class of 2019, and I thank you all for witnessing this episode today.
Kalangan Mr. Orlando, ang sukses cairan berkeciamer, wabel korang bene awaj ko leban sangat cerai rai nagas kesebulkan.
I can almost see it, that dream I'm dreaming, but there's a voice inside my head saying, you'll never reach it. Every step I'm taking, every move I make feels
Kailangan ko kasalan. Ang sukses chay bang kachangar nan kalikat ko ang sabuna chay program ya chay bang parang openin abot sagarata. O sagarata po chay kabang ya inonten sagarata tanasan ang rawat. Amot sagarata po chay imen pacuan juga. Even right dakas kasabut rawat po pacuan kabese keynote speaker. Orang yang ia kasamo Miss Charles May Albert.
Thank you, MC, and hello, everyone. Our keynote speaker is a young woman who attended Got Head Start in 2000. Attended MHS class of 2012. Graduated from Florence FSM in spring 2014 as a micronutrient studies major with an AA degree. Received certificates of arts in trial counselor in fall 2015. And achieved Bachelor of Arts in Administration of Justice with a minor in General and Women's Studies from University of Hawaii at Ilo in spring 2018. Activities in honor of our keynote speaker. She has been in the Dean's List University of Hawaii at Ilo spring 2018. Member Student Support Services University of Hawaii Ilo 2017 to 2018. Motivational speaker for Educational Talent Search Program Seniors Class of 2017. President Dolby Casalalia Club, University of Hawaii Hilo Fall 2017 to Spring 2018. Member Phi Delta Kappa Honors Society, COM FSM Fall 2014 to Fall 2015. President List COM FSM Congressman Fall 2015. ISGP Trial Counselor Program Fall 2015. ISGP Micronutrient Studies Spring 2014. Valedictorian NHS Class of 2012. Valedictorian Sabalat Elementary School Class of 2008. And joined Educational Talent Search Program in 2007. Work experience. She was the math and English tutor for ECSP students 7 and 8 at Omnia and Lugop Elementary School from 2015 to 2018. Work study assistant for Social Science Division COM FSM from 2014 to 2015. And is currently working at FSM Behavioral Health and Wellness Program under the Division of FSM Health. So ladies and gentlemen, please bear with me as I welcome our 25 years old keynote speaker, a Tupunbame clan Pinagang Kronineta, who was raised in Nanchum, Sapala, eldest daughter of Edvijan Advert. Miss Evangeline E. Advert, also known as Maddie.
Salamat kong Miss Albert. Salamat kong MC. Iyan mo kasalilian main ko. Moni kan kacoyan dan college language. Ala ko na melen yan siyang ki ichwal sakratan wow o kapitulak. Ong sama chay coach UFS nga. O kabayan do. Mekas kiyok chay language. Ichwal wow kapachabat. Ong sakratan wow kan koros mesyagar moy achawal county mozap pronin letaw. Nakantan niya and going matananim. Lagalap chikan koros lugotokan. Walyabegan koros mayak na siyang chain language. Walyaben na office kan, walyaben school. Peninikan o chain koros yan language. Kabung o wow choror o principal ng school watch, Mr. Ikram. Sumbatangan, staff koros ng school watch. Naninikan korupsyen, wagi sabon na may tatawag sa mo language. Meles tarikan korupsyen magkasara sa language. Ikapagkiyang may korupsyen duk mesansan ongye nan wik me bachelor. Yen hakan ka siya kumay language. Maingo imenanakis te daw sa salamaw ongye we upurakan language magaitan being senemech yen bacho mo may language. So chalay me coach. Kaitan ngay bamarang kaitan ngay bamonem obikaitan siya ngay makakang kumawach. Mechocho was success language me yanglech tabacho kachiyang chen language me kakasangye tabe bikonem sangye apwagi Philippine me serkat chingaleng biyongye ay makaretay bacho mo my language aragachin bukurat koyendak waliyang chen language o wiya sabon machay ta chen chingal kawe ong serikan kan sa language. Our theme for today is owning our success while focusing on our strengths. To me, it simply means being aware of decisions we make that will lead us to something good and believing ourselves that we can be successful despite all the obstacles, struggles, and hardships that we may encounter while we're still concentrating on the subjects we're good at and the skills we have. In other words, graduates, to be successful is to focus on your strengths. So, start creating your dreams from your strengths. If your initial plan fails today, there's always other options out there. So, do not give up. You yourself, you know your strengths. You know what you're good at. So my challenge for you graduates today is to convert your strengths into success. Be mindful that your future won't be determined by your parents' social status or their income. You have to be the creator of your own future. Don't be discouraged because you were not in the honor roll list. You did not make it to even deliver a speech today. You did not pass the high school entrance. This is not the end. Or do not even be discouraged if you've never received 3.0 and up. Do not be discouraged just because you or your parents don't have money. Even though you don't have money, you can still be successful. You can still be extremely successful. It just requires extreme amount of work. So graduates, if you're one of those that think that you're not smart, so you cannot be successful, let me tell you this. You are wrong. You're all smart. We're all smart. But it's just the way we make choices is what makes the difference in life. So your decision is very important because it contributes to your success. So whatever you decide, each single day will reflect on your future. Your life, your success, your future is in your own hands. You are responsible for your own future. Mone ban kaya lai chungan sawasan ramwach ay menabus chila chiang maralapan ramwach ni masanen don big nagachichiki ang kaya na wiya ka puiben sabal machain dato. As far as I know, Yang imkelap webin kailangan naranas chocho makin batch pene. Nenen namangi anak kailangan. Kailangan naranas chocho makin batch pene ida man wiya pe ida wiya gapoy pen sabon na chain kato. Nawewabi kit serve batch ranwach na tacho mo mai ranwach. So chika kalepi say language. Wasen gangan niya sa rupoy dati, sana na sabonmen. Kung ay parusyente, ewa ubur me bache rich rangot, sabon mo may sawas. Baba nono, chunan community watch, peninikan, kambangabaskan, waliyabaskan ng government, o sa matakan school kan, sana na sabon mo may sawas, o uchuch, unsa. Kaya din agusin sa walmamay sawas, te 11 sa walmamay sawas, te 75% in sa walmamay sawas. We need your full support, 100% of your support. Pabuita and kakanmiya. And so, mag-serbuat paan pamata, miya wasas kambing miya. Tabil kakaje sa banbin men itang agta. Asa kasut peyin wine, mabanwiya ko chubat. We need you along the way. Ay sumasaban kakasang ng tangawat, o sa banwiya kailangan alam kamaray wach, alwach banwiya re-re-la, alwach banwiya che-che-la kala. Ersabagi sa mga kongong, Kung ibaban ka kan full speech, serbukat na sa insan mo Ren ka kan kakit kowing, nan olabag mau, o bidsta na mau. Pabangan no kan, imay nang yak, nembe ew, si ong puitan serbukat. Imay daw yak, taman war na serbukat, chabiyaka sisig kowing. Erwasa na serbukat ban silak langnya murin ranwach may high school dabil ban ka lang university ikamen na nang tanga ban lang university eban ban biya ilok law ai mai me ban cheche ko warwach tamowiti the warwach the kachiasan wasa na utan etok-tokan. Wamam chayban litin Daniela, the binton sesela, war Mr. Bukash Bashoyer Lale, Haban Kamache, Serata wasayu, na chay socha kasit, o net socha kone. Please, parents, be with them in every step of their journey. Graduates, chase the moment. The path that we're about to take will be rough. Kind of bumpy, but trust me, you'll get there. Remember, your life, your future, your success is in your own hands. So I'd like to leave with all of you this message. Let God be the center of your education so that He will direct your path till you reach your destination. Iich nga sawas na wachawach nech ikamelele me nabonem ye uti wasaksech po mabantaw yala serbukach Pwede ko excited maramila na hanggang manuknukla. Pero kalangan ko, congratulations on my Parusyan Magas Katabul Ranwach. Re-reach mo sa karatang.
Kalangan ay sa karatang kawit kasalan. Ang sukses chay kachangayan ng pag-isip ay sa mga chay program. Yan siya yung masarigan ng kaskasip. Naikutan isiligukan po ang kasalita na iray nagsaner elementary education o iban pajowan kasabut pa rin church o yang sa mata ilani hapra. Kalangan program amun betul when buka wow tan perempuan sapunin datang wow kinan ganye ko nanawan mata dani opchay ko yan niya so mi ban pacuan agar eten serpukat men pacuan bagita nanan en sana mau maladak punya ban pacuan arstin ko bagata data meranak sangat primary education aralan pacuan tiway me o kasabayan kapyung ong nono. Imenda jual kayu lukan laban ka mo sa punin data kung purang kalangan o kacitangan kayo sinubukan. Dan ini lain satu Miss Tasha Davis.
Mom, you gave life to me, turned your baby into
Miss Dinani Gonzaga.
Mama, all you had to offer was a promise of a lifetime of love.
Miss Susan Hilter.
There is no other love like a mother's love for her child. And I know a love so complete
Miss Andrea Remains Washington.
must say goodbye. Goodbye's the saddest word I'll ever hear. Goodbye's the last time I will hold you near.
Miss Delilah Dihara
You'll
Palmer.
say the word and I'll cry. It'll break my heart to hear you say goodbye. Mama, you gave love to me.
Miss Cornell Inyo.
And you come one to one. Mama, all I ever needed was a guarantee you love me. 'Cause I know there is no other love like a
Mr. Ranzel Orlando.
love for a child. And it hurts so, but something so strong, something
Rodney Press.
must say goodbye. Goodbye's the saddest word I'll ever hear. Goodbye's the last time I will hold you.
Mr. Ramon Edgar.
Someday you'll say that word and I will cry. It'll break my heart to hear you say
Mr. Winston Indian.
but the love you give will always be there. You will always be there every time I'm hurt. You want to be the greatest
Mr.
love.
Dustin Elias.
You take my weakness and you make me strong. And I'll always love you till forever comes.
Mr. George Sidbane. Miss Delmarlene Albert. Miss Destiny Paulus. Miss Darcy Ann Elian. Mr. Nimor Alachi.
Love so complete, someday must leave, must say goodbye. Goodbye's the saddest part for me. Goodbye's the last time I will hold
Mr. DJ Philip.
It'll break my heart to hear you say goodbye. You gave love to me. I'm the young one. All I ever needed.
Mr. Emmanuel Naron, the salutatorian.
You love me, 'cause I know there is no other love like yours, love more than
Mr. Jesse Orlando, the valedictorian.
something so strong, something begun. Must say goodbye. Goodbye's the saddest
Mr. Menson Simon.
Goodbye's the last time I will hold you. Someday you'll say the word and I
Mr. Jalen Primo.
It'll break my heart to hear you say goodnight. But I love you you'll always be there every time
Mr. J. Moore Johnny.
you want to be the greatest love of all. You take my weakness and you make me strong. I'll always love you.
Mr. A.J. Gonzaga.
When you need
And Mr. Arsen Nadio. Medyo kita siya, nagulog kita na, wait up, right? Desaintan, Mr. Rupgag Sparus Puita, kang niya pinuntungan ko eh. At niya siya, agay sinsilasang, agay dang, tepe, first in school, te pilwiwiyama. Met siya pan mga ibene, iray sabikan, Makulit niya, tatungalan kitiyar manarol sa Chepta Parish School West o lang iitin Parish School West. Women Batuan Becky, Luca Kasamo, Senator Ned, kung yun kalangan o sa wasak damas. Mr. Charles Tilpenis. Honorable. Jalen Primo. Honorable. Emmanuel Namon, salutatorian. Honorable. Jesse Orlando, salutatorian. Alex Gonzaga. Teilani Gonzaga. Hilaida Dinara Palmer. Josley Albert. Delverdine Albert. Destiny Paulus. Susan Elter. Carla Elio. DJ Phillips. Serbuah Mecualan di 3.0 Bacaan dan 4.9 Paris Ming sebelahan. Sindi ko ang karungkat o ang rights labikan. Mesoche ko plantisan school, Pagajeo, Lan Paris School West, o even Katuan. Pagi, speaker, and many chains out. Ingin ko kalangan ako sa kita na sindi ko ang karungkat. Delverdine Albert. Delilah Dinara Bammer. Chelsea Albert. Destiny Paulus. Annette Gonzaga. Nancy Erica May Washington. J. Mar Johnny. Josh Sylvanus. Brainsler Elias, Isian, Turna. O Travis Sam Orlando. I-write ko, nasoche ba kayo kung nanitang school, nanbaran school, yang iti sa walu, yang iti sa tuwa. Ay sukses chairman mo ang iba na i-write sa rikan, makin, kasalita mong yamaw, nanbaran school, ligon paran school, nankalan school. Kung iban patuan, luka, kung iban man kadar, kung yung kalangan, o sa wasita nga, good behavior. Carla Elio. Delverdine Albert. Delilah Dinara Palmer. Josley Albert. Anes Consaka. Jesse Orlando, the valedictorian. Nancy Erica May Washington. Delani Kolkata. Nakalangan i-raise sa comments malangiti na bebayo ng report card ng wasang hiyamaw. Sa nga ni Chabin School o na ito ni Iri. Bismiya, sitigong kaming joror kay kasalita leadership o most improved. O men, macam tu kaya nanawan matalanim kung yung kalangan o sa kita masisip ko. Leadership, agan macam ng Jesse Orlando sa valedictorian. Leadership and Batanang Emmanuel Naron, the valedictorian. Most improved student and Batanang Timor Chani. Then Mia Sindukon Kaping Choror kay na Nachosang Yop si GSP. Women, dukay yang wanya dan CSP, kung yung pagkalangan o sa waskita mas, hindi ko kaping upat. Leadership, conduction ng Jesse Orlando, the valedictorian. Leadership with Van Batanang Emmanuel Naron, the valedictorian. Good behavior, outstanding behavior, Van Batanang Charles May Albert. Destiny bonus. Pinailan Dinara Banger. Carla Elio. O Beauty Martin. Nasa chupa mecha waliya Beauty Martin. Divine Sabikan and GSP, Medisoja Bajawan Comante, San School, Flagay Uchen, and Barret. And Batanang Charles May, Albert. Susan Elser. Destiny Fathers. Delverny Albert. Jaymar Chani. Dinailan Dinara Banger. O Beauty Martin. The outstanding improvement of Ambassador Susan Elzer. Kisin ko kapeng takoy kachoror kay nagachosang Obsin School, Ong Right sa Kawalukan, Tachotila Lel sa Kabay, Mayanger Kawayata Test, and state level o district level o yes po itakan o imen pachawan bugayang waliyeben Kabay dan mumutin. Management. Sermenat yang berjaya Matanamiyat district level or Chingalan Kikiya third place or Ambassador Jesse Orlando the Victorian. Irai Pikawali Ulimen yang berjaya science fair competition district level or Bikajuan Alethea third place or Irai Yangi Charles May and first. Rimanwan Narun, the second Victorian. Jesse Orlando, the ninth Victorian. DJ Philip, or Jaden Primo. Home Riser in Kaisukan, Riser Cinnamon Mabiniam Pachen Science Competition. District level or Chingalan Tier first place o iban pachuan kasamo keynote speaker and sawas o sawas kita na sipong kabunukan. Queen Kaisu, Bachelor Mary Praise Perez, Jane Marisha T. Redes, J. Marisha D. Redes. Or running Paulus. Sindugawas kan ng Joint School Queen Kaisuman may yang kakwenta district level writing competition o Bachuan Chingalan Kikiya third place o dan ng Mary Praise Perez. Leo Sindugo o ngamen sa Kikawano may yang kakwenta Matanamiyat contest district level o Bachuan Alethea third place dan ng Chesian Elias. Sindugo pa chong right sawin kamayukan. O match kan ng MN Joint School may yang Pumbi Studies contest o Chingalan Kikiya third place dan district level kan ng Aizen Toward Abraham. Someone more third place District Competition Bombay Studies kan Veteran Emma Queen Albert. Bin Emin Sarin Kungarayon, Nabilyangan Kawayata North Olympiad Contest, District Level, Bin Chingalan Kitty 3rd place of an Veteran Chris Prida Chani. King Saglan, Siligong Kapang, Terminate, Yang Kapayata Social Studies statewide competition or Chingalan Kitty first place of an Veteran Asen Cohort Abraham. Ainsung set, ainsung kabaran, ainsung katangkan, puya ainsung kasaleta Yisna Kana Nantar. Teacher of the Year, Class 2018 and 19, dan Veteran Teacher Jensen Luckner. So cepat what dia be? Oh iya. Imit kuitakan o serikan na kesempatan o kalanganan upang. Ang success ng lecturer na presentation of graduate, the Manson School Principal.
Mulai mengatakan answer buat yang dikenal dengan semangat wow dari Nina terkut mungkin tulang menjadi sebuah dan kali sangat dalam patola wantan officially PTA President of sebuah nabalapkan korupsian, bukan korupsian, kalangan propaganda. Even dia pernah berpindah kesebelah yang option ada di pakai di Bolivian County School. Soalnya bang yang pakai saya lalu, boleh di Sumbang. Pilih saya payah mau orang pun saya kan ucap begitu yang ia ucapan kapten kusen tiu saya cukup kusen yang pada orang pun when kemana-mana woi ben pasuan luka lautan pada sama tadi orang pun komui bawa kau ni sepuluh sekolah kau agak tambah kau lang Seringan kasih pengalaman pun main belau pasoga. Sering disar orang sepan pacu paling now main kelihatan disar rambut pacola. Tasir bin pacu paling now yang si main ban kesebut main ban kamakin pacola paling baik. Lalu main jemjangnya. The administrator, the principals of school, ipasawan anger Serbukan kasabulang official Katbang Kamarayan County School Honorable
Monibang Bakayan and Puko and we are William may tungal singaran wow kapat sang dan Panaman may tungalan ki nintuan area William Port Basic Government Oya Amen Towen and Committee and School Kamarayan and we need to question at Katuaka on in Ruas in Education Act and itu sektual itu ane terla itu ada lagi kapten congratulations o kasamo kumail chorus meneksa Pinkawalu Ong Nan High School congratulations.
Cek kamang tanda acay taasirkan o Palimao o Paliming. Saan Palimao? Saan Palimao o Paliming? Right to left. Na chay oras kachiyang master kat level. Kachiyoti. Ang suksay chay bang kachiyang na special remark o special remark pansang mo isang pronin dito.
Welcome to Master Dato Kajering Task Special Remark. Muli ba pagkaroon bata ng bawat ritual kapir wow sa pagkaroon pwede sa pagkaroon rangot sa pagkaroon bilang sa pagkaroon kapir pagkaroon kami na kahit yung just puli sa palak at sa walang i-upload din sa pagkaroon ritual wow pagkaroon namin yay nanuan matalamin boleh kan kita pernah mami ya? Saya rangun dan saya dormiat. Uya boleh kan translation. Dunia seorang uya boleh kan scripture. Boleh kan mana kita? Speaker. Mami boleh kan Congress. Mesti saya. Boleh kan mana saya pakai chorus. Kemudian berdistribut kayu. Napalabakan terus. Tepat-tepat pernah ini dekat dan sepuluh siapa perangut. Penenai terus. Kemudian wow, white dan berkasih sekurang. Tepat patawan patah pokok kesembuhan. Tepat kansak saya berkata penerang. Uyat kapilap kayu. Om panikan terus. Mesapel lagi serikan. Kan segala parwan orang. Saya berkalian government, berkalian siap, kawan orang. Email lah tak perlu orang macamnya. Saya mau. Kalau mereka coba terus. Kapan om sebatang. Prinsipal staff kan terus. Pergi apa? Nakuai sambil mandi yang cuma nanti serikan. Kesalahan dengan orang. Besar sah. Kalau mereka coba terus. Kapten serikan kapten Armas Polisi Malak Muhammad Bilaran Cuma Sahabat Ikatulong kamel berpacang rakan kesehatan terawat. Abel wiyak kapulong cerai kan. Kapulong terus dekat dan kesehatan yang bangun. Kalau bisa pemainkan tu, dekat dengan anak, kai orang anak, kesehatan sekolah siapa lakukan. Aina di motor, jika pada pagi sekolah sukses, karir itu.
Kalangan kumi, ang sukses chay kacang ni himoy kasarang wirawat o chay bangkacang na low na melkakan ng petwaw o low. Pansan Senior Pastor Juan Paran Rolando. Moisaf Rakachta o Koras Pachoda.
Mieszkałem w na Golden Nation. Na o kalangan en natain kau Jesus Christ. O limpok lapalap en samatay ko. O atain April dan kami nibin en ngay saraw. En katin ngayon to kumun samet o bimbang ko wala to show. Chorus ko.
Sebelum macam program rawat sebelar o seringan papachoyi way o nanalin ang kamagata. Dibatangkan walang kahakay uzag ng Jen Maraban.